Hello there. Welcome to the #1 channel for innovators, marketers, and entrepreneurs. Today, I'm going to help you leverage one of the biggest waves transforming humankind, the Unwired Ubertrend. To refresh your memory, an Ubertrend is a massive wave, think tsunami, that cascades through society, leaving many subtrends in its wake. And what sets Ubertrends apart is that they reshape society by changing consumer behavior. But first, a bit of history. At the January 2010 Consumer Electronics Show, a French newcomer hailing from Paris, France, called Parrot, introduced a surprising new gadget. The headline in Engadget, a blog for techie types, provides a telling insight. Parrot's AR drone helicopter brings military-style amusement to the iPhone. That was a rather inauspicious debut for a technology that would soar and disrupt such markets as photography, surveillance, rescue, and agriculture, among others. Flying something remotely without wires is the best way to begin the Unwired Ubertrend because the drone is a perfect example of the wireless revolution enveloping us. Whether sitting in a cafe on a Parisian boulevard or lying on a Caribbean beach, the feeling one gets from being able to shop, search for information, or connect with friends and family completely free from wires is liberating. It almost feels like flying. That's what the Unwired Ubertrend is all about. It's about freedom. Freedom from wires and perhaps even freedom from relationships. Freedom, in fact, is the driving value behind Unwired, the untethered and unfettered Ubertrend. Unwired is creating a highly independent mobile lifestyle. The chief value impelling people to untether is freedom. They want to decide when and where to use services while seeking greater control over life's daily interfaces. Think control enthusiast. Phones are another exponent of the Unwired Ubertrend. Where were you on June 29, 2007, as a very long line was forming on Stockton Street in San Francisco? Could it be the debut of a new Breaking Dawn movie? Was it the sighting of a celebrity du jour? No, it was an early manifestation of a phenomenon that would come to be known as iDay, the line forming to buy an Apple iPhone. Some people even camped out to wait for the much-anticipated smartphone. Camping to buy a cell phone? How crazy is that? Are these people Looney Tunes? While standing in line, it reminded me of a joke Jay Leno had told earlier that year. The only time kids go camping now is in front of a Circuit City waiting for a video game to go on sale. Circuit City may be gone, due to the lack of innovation, I must add, but Leno's funny and pointed observation remains true to this very day. Both drone and smartphone use has skyrocketed. The drone industry is projected to reach more than 11 billion by 2020, according to Gartner. And more than 1.5 billion iPhones have been sold, making it the most successful consumer product in history. This all happened in about a decade. Staggering achievements for a helicopter amusement and a phone worth camping for. Today, our world is dominated by wireless apps, both on our phones and in our smart speakers that execute commands at will. There is the ever-present Alexa, which only debuted in 2015 and which has already infiltrated the lowly toilet, the Kohler Numi 2.0, which promises immersive entertainment provided by ambient lighting, music, and Alexa. Why go anywhere else in the house? Smart speakers and phone apps can control connected home lights, turn on the TV and change channels, turn on garden sprinklers, and tell you if you have a water leak in your pipes. The immense amount of control our wireless app world offers has led to another phenomenon, something I have dubbed the control enthusiast trend. Yes, boys and girls, we are being spoiled by fingertip controls. The tactile feel and distributed power of the smartphone is warping consumers and business people alike. To explain the vagaries and implications of the control enthusiast trend in greater depth, I must refer you to my book, Ubertrends: How Trends and Innovation Are Transforming Our Future, available on Amazon. And if you need a guide to the apps I believe merit your attention, at least on the iPhone, please visit my site, toolhacker.com, and click the iOS filter button to find all my favorite power apps. So besides drones and smartphones, what are the big wireless waves of the future? As I mentioned in my Voyeurgasm video, if anyone tries to trick you into investing in a wired infrastructure, you might as well throw your wallet in the street, okay? The future is wireless, and I can't imagine any service today that would not benefit from cord cutting. And there's a lot more that needs to be done. For example, it's amazing to me that Firefox is far more capable when logging into a new network than either Chrome or Safari, which often force you to restart the browser in the hopes of getting to a login screen. The same thing goes for tracking family members. I find it totally unbelievable that despite Apple's native Find My iPhone app, Life360 does a better job, although still not perfect, of tracking the phones of friends and family. In my time compression video, I mentioned the remarkable power of CityMapper to save you time when navigating unfamiliar cities like New York, Paris, or London. With its uncanny ability to tell you even what part of the train to sit in to maximize your disposable time. Wireless apps like Shazam to identify songs, or ScanBot to scan receipts, or WhatsApp to call internationally for free have proven invaluable. Your knowledge of your own universe or vertical market is needed to determine a yet unsolved pain point that requires the use of that Apple trademark sentence. There's an app for that. Here's an app that I don't believe exists and is totally needed. When I'm house hunting and visit properties, a killer app would let me enter the address of a home and receive a text when it sells, telling me what it sold for, better yet, how much the sales price was above or below the ask. Why no one has come up with a solution like this baffles me, but it probably has something to do with the control exerted by realtors or the local multiple listing services. Could someone from those parties be watching this video? I hope I have sparked your wireless brainwaves. As always, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell to be notified of each new video. I hope you have a great day, a great week, and a great year. See you soon, wireless warriors.